Want your students to be more engaged when they take quizzes? Make quizzing interactive with dissection quizzes in Visible Biology. In a dissection quiz, students answer questions by selecting structures. Students can use the hide feature to virtually dissect the models until they can select the correct structure. Unlike a multiple choice quiz where students select their answers from a list, dissection quizzes require students to interact with the 3D model. This challenges them to think deeper about the material and about spatial relationships. Instructors can create their own questions using Visible Biology's 3D interactive content, or they can pull from our bank of pre-made quizzes. Visible Biology dissection quizzes are available in Courseware, an online teaching and learning platform that can be used as a standalone LMS, or can be integrated with Canvas or Blackboard. To learn more about bringing 3D interactive quizzes to your classroom, visit visiblebody.com/courseware to request a free instructor trial.